What up, everybody, and welcome to Baz on Blades. My name is Baz, and I talk about blades, and today we've got an unboxing we're going to do quickly for you, and I'm very excited about this. This unboxing came around due to a recent video that I did talking about my eyesight and how it affected my shooting. Up close, I have a hard time with my sights on my handgun when it comes to shooting. I can see the target fine, but the handgun sights are blurry and I'm losing defined focus with my sights. So a couple of people in the comment section and via email suggested that I contact a company that had a product that sounded very promising, and I did just that. And that company is SSP Eyewear. And you can find them online. They have a .com under SSP Eyewear. They also have an Instagram, which is SSP_eyewear. And what this company does is bifocal shooting glasses. But a very important distinction is that the magnifier is at the top of the lens, so you don't have to tilt your head back in order to use the magnifier in the bifocal. You don't want to tilt your head back when you're shooting. Your posture should be angled forward to absorb recoil, and not, it's hard to do that with your head tilted back using a standard set of bifocals, which the magnifier would be at the bottom of the lens. Now, I contacted SSP to see if they would send me some product, and I heard back from Mike Bechtel there, and I believe he is an owner or one of the owners or the owner there. And he got back to me and offered to send me one of their kits. I told him that I'd get it in here and we will see what it's like, see if it helps me. And what we're going to do right now is an unboxing from SSP Eyewear, and what they sent me is their Ultra kit. It is their top of the line kit, and they sent me the top of the line kit because Baz on Blades is an international superstar as far as YouTube goes. I believe we are way up there at about 3,800 subs right now. I don't think that's International Superstar League, but still, it's 3,800 more than I had when we started. So, they sent me this stuff. We're going to get it out here and take a look at it. What do we have first here? We've got Lemon Insurance, and I'd say that is their return policy guarantee warranty information. And then we've got a pouch here that it looks like everything is in this kit. And there's a couple of belt loops on this pouch. It is a zipper pouch. It's got a little spring-loaded quick connect in here. And an SSP Eyewear tag with their contact information. Again, you can pause and read there. And this is the TF125 Ultra Kit. Now, Baz on Blades, what is the Ultra Kit? The Ultra Kit is everything. Mike told me this is a kit they recommend for trainers. And it's got, what it has is a complete set of upper focal lenses, and they are in 3 finishes. There's clear, yellow, and smoke for whatever your needs are with the upper magnifier on it. And then there is a second set of matching lenses with the magnifier at the bottom of the lens, like a standard bifocal would be. And this kit can be used for a couple of different things. You can mix and match these lenses to whatever your eyes need. You can help compensate for dominant eye issues. What Mike recommended to me would be to put a top focal in your dominant eye side and a bottom focal in your non-dominant. And that would help you if you had dominant eye issues. It would help you shoot with both eyes open. And here is a guide on how to easily change your lenses, and I'll have to look at that here in a little while. We've got our frame with a set of top focal clear lenses, and you can see, I hope you can see it there, that the focal is up here, the magnifier is at the top. See, top bifocal, and I got 1.25s. And these are anti-fog coating, and they have an anti-scratch coating also. The frames are, I've gone to their website and researched all of this jazz. The frames are nylon. They're a glass reinforced nylon. There are rubber nose pieces here for anti-slip. There's rubber on the inside of the ear pieces here. And then look at the top of the frames where the lens meet. That is venting to help with anti-fog. All right, so you've got the frames with the 1.25 upper magnifier lenses in there. There's an SSP Eyewear sticker, stay focused. And that is wow, that's a thick sticker, guys. That feels really premium for a sticker. And then we've got a microfiber cleaning cloth for your lenses here. And that looks like about it in the kit as far as accessories go. So one of the good things about this pouch is all of these lenses are in here, but they're in separate compartments. They are separated in no scratch compartments. And so we've got the top focal clears, and then here is the set of bottom focal clears. All right. And then in the next pouch we have both top and bottom focal sets in the yellow, shooter's yellow for indoor shooting. And then we've got the opposite focal here for that. Okay. Oh, each of these slots is separated into two sides also. Sweet. There's the top bifocal for the yellow. And then we've got smoke, and there's your regular bifocal. And then the top bifocal for smoke. All right. That's a pretty doggone extensive kit there, guys. We'll set the pouch over there. We're going to set all of these lenses right here. We got the other set of the clear lenses here. We've got the glasses right here. Set them just like that, and we'll set this right here. And that is your kit, guys. It gives you a complete set of lenses across the board, clear, yellow, smoke in the top focals. And then it gives you another complete set, clear, yellow, smoke in the bottom bifocal. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to experiment a little bit with these and see what kind of results I get personally. I've got a little bit of a dominant eye issue. And I am going to try the techniques that they have on their site. And I believe what they're saying to do is go with the top focal on your dominant side. And then on your other side, start out with a bottom focal smoke lens. So you'll be looking through the regular part of the lens and everything will be blurry. And then you've got the smoke also. And I guess what it's doing is it's knocking this eye down, but you're magnifying your dominant eye. And if I understand right, if you do that for a little while, you can train your eyes where you can shoot both eyes open and not have to block one of your eyes. Now, my issue is not that bad, but I am curious to see what will happen. And I tell you what right now, I have tried shooting with my reading glasses, and the thing that I noticed is this. My sights up close instantly come into sharp focus, and I can see razor detail on the sights. But then my target in the distance is too blurry. That's the problem with just reading a straight or wearing or using a straight up like reading glass where the whole lens is magnified. I think what I'm going to do is I am going to set this up with a top focal on my dominant side and a bottom focal on the other side. And I think what I'm going to do when I shoot both eyes open, that's going to give me the dominant eye up close to get my sights, and it'll still have my lesser eye, my secondary eye, or whatever they call the non-dominant, I guess. That eye I'll still have just regular lens where I can see in the distance and see the target. that might very well be the perfect answer for Baz on blades. Now, whether it's the perfect answer for any of you, I don't know. But you do have your choice in the way to set this up. Now, there are 3 basic kits from SSP. I'll just go over them real quick right here. You've got the Ultra kit that's got 1 full set of top focal, 1 full set of bottom focal. You've got the Premier kit, which is 1 full set of top focal and then a full set of no focal, just regular lenses. And then you've got their entry-level AST kit, and that is a full set of top focal lenses. And they're at different price points. The Ultra set is at $129.99. The Premier kit is $99.99, and then the regular AST kit is $59.99. And I've got to tell you, if these glasses fix my issue and make me a better shooter or help to make me a better shooter, I'm going to say they're worth that price. I think it's hard to put a price on eyesight. And, you know, bad eyesight sneaks up on you most of the time. I'm 50 years old, and my eyesight has been gradually going to where my up-close eyesight is getting worse and worse. Now, as far as out at a distance, 0 issues there. From 100 yards away, I can still see individual leaves on trees. So no issue there. But up close, where I would have my pistol sights, they are blurry. And your sight picture of your center post in your back notch, the corners and edges are more important than I would have thought they were. It is very hard to do any fine focus shooting if you don't have fine focus on your sights. And before anybody comes in and says, well, Baz on blades, you should be just point shooting anyway. I'm not talking about that type of shooting. I'm talking about shooting for accuracy. When I want to test my accuracy in order to see where my training is, because I'm taking a very realistic look at my shooting skills. You all know that because you've seen my videos. I don't brag about being a good shot, and if I shoot bad targets, I show them too. Typically, I shoot at 30 feet, and I'm about a 3 to 3.5 inch group at 30 feet type of guy. I'd like to be an inch less than that. At the much vaunted FBI rated 21 feet, I'm about 2 3/4 inch group type of guy. So maybe these will help. What we are going to do is we're going to take these into the field over the next month, and I'm going to test them. I'm going to use them as a top focal only. I'm going to test with a mix of lenses. I'm going to test out the idea of training around your dominant eye and see how that works for me. And all of you guys and gals will get to go along for the ride and see how this is. And maybe some of you got bad up close vision. You're older and your vision is going slowly. Maybe, you know, Baz on Blades working through this with this kit will help you out a little bit, and that's why I am here. I want to say thank you to Mike Bechtel at SSP Eyewear for taking a chance on Baz on Blades. You know, I'm a small channel, and a lot of manufacturers, they don't want to take a chance with their product for a small channel. There's just not that, you know, I don't cover as much as a channel with millions of views. But my channel has gotten big enough. I'm at about 600,000 views right now. That's starting to get big enough to where these companies are starting to work with me. And SSP is one of the first ones. I want to thank Mike for that. And I hope that you and your company see a return off of this. As far as quality out of the box, I see 0.000 issues with that. The frames have good flex to them. The hinges feel nice. The lenses fit well. I You've got a full array of lenses. You know what? I don't see anything as far as quality goes. Now, of course, I haven't taken all of these lenses out of their individual packaging yet, but I don't foresee anything being bad there. This is a cool pouch. I like that not only do you have 3 separate compartments for your sets, but you've got a dedicated side that is divided on each compartment. So you can keep your lenses separated. However I end up setting this up, you know, I'm going to put all these lenses back in there. These lenses will last me the rest of my life as long as I keep them clean where they don't get scratched up. Now, if you do get your lenses scratched up, you can buy individual lenses in all of the upper and lower bifocal magnifiers and in just the plain lenses. Now, we'll do just a little bit of technical information here, not to make this video too long, but the frames are TR90 nylon. You do get the case with it. You get the cleaning cloth. The lenses, all the lenses are double side anti-fog coated. They are anti-scratch coated. They are 100% UVA and UVB blocking. And then you get the rubber nose pieces, the ventilated frame, the rubber inserts on the earpieces, all of that jazz. It seems like a pretty doggone good deal, and I think that these have, I'm not sure about how this warranty goes, but it just says feel free to contact them if you feel like you've gotten a lemon. It doesn't have any time frame. So, you know, I'm assuming it's a lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Now, that's not going to cover lenses being scratched or if you sit on them and break them or something like that. That's normal wear and tear. But I don't see any quality issues there. I do see a very complete kit here. You know, it looks good out of the box. It looks good out of the box. The potential for swapping out these lenses and correcting dominant eye issues and at the minimum helping me with my vision up close, I am super excited about that. I'm super excited about it. And I look forward to trying them out. We'll cut this off right here, guys, because I just wanted to do an unboxing. We will have a more in-depth video coming up on these. We'll take them out to the Bazon Blades Tactical Shooting School, and we will try them out live and see what happens, see how they help Bazon Blades, and maybe that will help some of you guys and gals out also. All right, as always, thank you for taking the time to watch one of my videos. God bless all of you, and we will talk to you again.